Welcome to the world of Street Fighter 3. That's what I expected.
Wish I had these babies back in high school.
You're gonna wish you were back in high school.
Is that right?
Come on, Jack. What the hell is that?
Death is the only way out.
Prepare to strike now. Excellent job.
Gotcha!
Well, super augmented. You win. All right, that's cool. We await your return, warrior.